Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at and unboxing this vacuum cleaner. This is a stick vacuum cleaner from a company called Aspiron, and this is the CA-007. And basically what this is a stick vacuum cleaner, kind of as it says. And basically there's some interchangeable parts that you can turn this into a bunch of different things. So, a vacuum with a long tube. There's a 3-in-1 nozzle, there's a long crevice tool, there's a motorized brush at the bottom you can use for carpets or hardwoods or wherever you need, or tile, those sorts of things. And then you can take that off and make it shorter and then use it as just a little portable handy vac sort of thing where you can clean your stairs, clean crevices, clean your couches, whatever, right? So there's a bunch of different things you can do. This does not require bags, it's bagless. Basically it collects all the dust and dirt in the canister, which then you can just dump pretty easily. There's an air filter, kind of like a sponge, and a filter case in there. You've probably seen other things, maybe like by Dyson or whatever, right, that kind of resemble this same sort of vacuum cleaner. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this and just see what you get in the box. And I'll maybe do a couple of quick tests and provide some feedback on what how it actually works when it's vacuuming. Now I do have to apologize. This just comes in a large cardboard box, and there's an inner box, kind of like this egg carton sort of inner box. I took the outer box off because it was damaged in shipping, so I just kind of pulled this off, and I mean obviously it's almost too big for my space here, but I will go ahead and just unbox each piece, tell you what they are, and go from there. So now this is the metal tube. So this is kind of like an aluminum, I guess, or some sort of metal. Plastic couplings on each end, and this comprises of the main shaft of the vacuum cleaner. Here is a crevice tool. Here's what they're calling kind of like a 3-in-1 sort of thing, where I'm assuming you can take this off. Felty sort of thing. So if you're trying to suction up maybe hard surfaces, you can use this. There's a brush on the other end. Another little kind of crevice tool thing. And if you take this, you can put this on, use it like this, use it like this, or flip it around. So that's kind of nice. This is a wall mount that you can use to store the crevice tools, or I'm assuming the pieces of this. I'm probably not going to mount this on the wall or anything, but it is an option if you're looking to store this somewhere. So you have your charger, because this is obviously, I think I mentioned this is battery powered. Here's the motorized head. Kind of swivels this way, swivels this way. Has wheels. Kind of like a felt strip there, so if you're going across floors. And then this is the brush. You're also able to kind of take this off if you need to clean it. So overall, that's pretty nice. As you can see, there's some connectors there. So connects to the upright handle, provides the power to the motorized head. A few little mounting accessories. So the main part of this is the vacuum itself. Now, as you can see, this is pretty, it's not terribly heavy, but it's, it's a good size. You can see here my hand holding it. Now this is the wall mount latch. So if you saw the wall mount that I had before, you can just hook it on the wall mount, which is nice. It's a battery charge level indicator or also you can change, it's a plus or minus, you can change the suction power. You start it by just pulling on the, turn it on and off with the finger switch. Here is the canister, you can lock it or unlock it and take that apart. If you want to clean the filter there, you can pull this off and clean that, put it back. Otherwise, if you're just going to empty it normally, you just pull this down and shake it out. Yeah, so like I said, so this is the main piece of this. This is the shaft that goes on, plugs into there, and then you have the different pieces that make up all of the attachments. So overall, just looking at these and kind of feeling them, it does feel like it's pretty decently made. You know, it feels pretty solid. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap or that it's going to fall apart or anything like that. So that's pretty nice. Attachments are good and all that. So that's going to wrap up this part of the video, the unboxing part. So I will go ahead and flip over to some of the actual results of this and you know, give you some of my thoughts. Yeah, so I used this just a little bit, and this is all of what it just vacuumed up. So a lot of dirt, a lot of dust. Looks like some of my dog's hair. So this is really gross, actually. I guess I would have vacuumed a few days ago with a different upright vacuum down here. And I could tell that, you know, there was still some stuff left on the carpet. Yeah, but this actually, just in that little short bit of time, did pick up a lot of dirt, dust, and disgusting things. So what's nice is, as you can see, that just snaps open and closed and easily can dump it. You know, overall, I think this works pretty good. I did try the attachments for the crevice tool, and I used those on the stairs. So those work, you know, as would be expected. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below, and I'll be sure to answer them. I'll also link to this in the description of the video if you want to take a look at it and check it out. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.